Hello, this is Seth Lewis from Lantern Home Inspections, here to perform a sewer line camera inspection on property 1420 Northwest 122nd Avenue, Portland, Oregon 97229. Current time is 8:34 a.m. on July 27, 2020. The house is facing west. I'm here on the south side of the house where I've located a 4-inch ABS or 4-inch cast iron cleanout. If you'll excuse me, I have to pause the video to go get some gloves to touch my sewer scope equipment. Forgot to grab those. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So the purpose of this inspection is to determine the overall condition and serviceability of the sewer lateral for this property to the city main. So let me just show you the clean out that I'm going to access here on the south side. There's the clean out. So there's your AC unit, your gate here. This will be accessing the line. I do have water running from the kitchen sink. Okay, so now I have the head of my camera facing downstream. Looks like we're in cast iron still, which is fairly common in this older type of home. Definitely. What we're looking for, any cracks, holes, root intrusions, any offset joints, any bellies in the line retaining water. So right now, overall for the so it looks like there might be a little small root there on the top surface there. I'm going to note that. That can be shaved out. I'll probably make a note that it can be shaved. It's not causing any damage right now to the line, any obstruction to the flow path. And there it is at 60 feet. We have reached the city main. So I'm going to go ahead and pull back my line from here. You see there, that's sludge. Something on the head of my camera now. So there's just some sludge buildup, and I'm not too certain. Kind of builds up onto that. Does look like a small root intrusion there, so at about 30 feet. And even now, my line is actually breaking that up. But as you saw, that they're at 30 feet, so looks like it's actually breaking up, and it's just some sludge buildup on the top surface. Definitely looks like maybe a small root coming through at 30 feet there. I'll pause and mark it for your sake, but I'm not going to fail this because it's, at this point, more a maintenance issue. Okay, I'm back at this point. So I'm not able to find it. There's a very large arborvitae bush that I'm thinking that's where this is. But again, as you can see, not obstructing the flow path. Looks like a coated ABS. I'm going to note this and note that this can be shaved out. It doesn't look like there's any major separation or anything like that in the line at this point. I'm not even sure if that's, I mean, I see that it might be a root actually coming from the top up, but I'm not able to identify and mark this area, so. So there's the cast iron, and it goes, it looks like to a coated, possibly a coated ABS, kind of hard to determine at this point. So this concludes the sewer line camera inspection for this property. I'm going to look back at the video in a better lighting to determine whether or not I will fail it or pass it for that root. I will say that the root is small, it's coming from the top, it's not obstructing the flow path at all. They do have machines that can shave those out. I was unable to identify the location with a zone because there's a large bush that's probably covering it. So I'm just going to refer to someone to reevaluate possibly my video here, and then deal with it as needed. Sorry, somebody just walked by. And so this does conclude the sewer line camera inspection. I will have a written report on this video upload for you and your realtor to view. Thank you for choosing Lantern Inspections.